स्वताचें घर समज बुडटा तो दुसऱ्याचें घर कितें वाटयतलो ही म्हण भौशीक बांदकाम खात्याच्या घाळ कामांक सामकीच लागता. सांतिनेज PWD सिवेज विभागाची कचेरी आनी क्वॉर्टर्साक पावसांत उदकांत रेवाडो घाला आनी हुंवारा वरवीं परिस्थिती निर्माण जाल्या. भौशीक बांदकाम खातें जर हुंवारान बुडटा जाल्यार पणजेंत येवपी हुंवाराचेर खातें कसलें नियोजन करतलें असो प्रश्न जावन रावला. क्वॉर्टर्सांत रावपी कर्मचाऱ्यांक दोपरभर उदकांतल्यान वाट काडची पडटा. अधिकाऱ्यांक सोय करपाक म्हणून हुंवारांत बुडिल्ल्या सहाय्यत अभियंत्यांचे कार्यालयांत बंद उडयला.
आयज हांव टोंका आहा आनी जे आमचे PWD डिपार्टमेंट आहा तुमी पळोवंक शकता की फाटल्यान PWD डिपार्टमेंट आसा. आतां आमी बुडल्या ह्या रस्त्याचेर आनी PWD डिपार्टमेंट पासून बुडल्या. नाव यू कॅन सी दिस पथेटीक कंडिशन. इफ दे कॅनॉट गेट देअर वॉटर क्लियर्ड आनी ते हिंगा सगळे आतां एरिया जे आहा बुडोन आहा आमी. इट इज ऑलमोस्ट लायक नी लेंथ. आतां पावस ना, पावस पडत जाल्यार आनीक उदीक वयर सरता. So this is the pathetic condition how our employees of PWD department are going to be working. This is totally not done and this is not safe for anyone. Kindly requesting the PWD department to first take care of your employees. If you all cannot take care of your employees, how will you take care of your citizens? This is pathetic. That's why the whole section is blocked. And now they are doing the digging and now they are doing the drainage after people complaining. This is pathetic by the PWD department. And Mr. Nilesh Kabral, please come down and see how your department is functioning in a pathetic condition. It is so sad. Being a resident of Taligaon, this PWD sewage department falls under our jurisdiction. And this is the condition of what it is right now. Behind this, there is a massive complex that is coming up now. Where is water supposed to go? How the water is supposed to be drained out? There's no planning and execution. Everything is just happening right now in front of us. And I'm standing in that deep of water.